How to change city in Uber driver app. Hello everybody, if you are wondering how you can do it, you can follow the step. So for that, you need to head over to a browser, and in the browser type in change Uber driver city, and you should be getting some results on your screen. Now from here, you should be finding option called help.uber.com, where you should be finding drive in a new city. Tap on that option and it will redirect you to another page. So in order to drive with Uber in a new city, you need to meet this requirements for that city. So you may head over to uber.com/drive/requirements, tap on it, and it will lead you to another page. Now all you gotta do from here is need to follow the on-screen prompts, sign up to drive, and you need to go ahead and have at least 1 year of licensed driving experience in the US, 3 years if you are under 25 years old, and use an eligible 4-door vehicle. And these are some of the required documents, like a valid US driver's license, proof of residency in your city, state, or province, proof of vehicle insurance if you have planned to drive your own car, driver for profile photo, and you need to have a valid photo. So after that, just sign up, submit the required documents, get the app, and you're ready to go. So that is how you basically do it. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.